Hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar. Welcome back. Yeah, Don. We're gonna go see Don race today. You wouldn't call that a pro mod car, but you're gonna notice it's pretty similar to somebody else. Louise, yeah, it's a 65, whatever that thing is. It's pretty cool. Right now, I'm not exactly even sure how fast he goes with it, but we're gonna find out. Look how many glasses I got. Yay, getting old, I guess. Yeah, he's in the pro class. This is a gateway bracket shootout. It's a 3-weekend event. I had no idea. This is the last weekend. I didn't get down there last week. Weather's supposed to be good and ought to be fun. He said, you might want to bring some water, but I got beer and food. I'm like, okay, I'm there. All right, let's go see. Well, I'm here. Kind of cool. Gotta find old Don now. This is by the drift pad. I didn't know they set this up here. Now he uses this parking. All right, here's some cars. It's a good sign. I'll keep looking. Where did you find this thing? I'm running the camera here.
Racing junk.
Racing junk?
Connecticut.
You got the fiberglass out and put this steel in there. It looks like the 65.
Nice sunglasses.
Yeah,
I don't know how brave you are.
That thing. That looks like something they banned in the 80s, Don. Hey guys, what do you think so far? Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, so I'm learning stuff. So Don's car, yeah, it's a 588, 4.5-inch bore, 4.5 stroke, 830 horse motor. And yeah, so I don't know I'm telling you that now, but yeah, this is the inside, pretty cool. He busted out that last round, and he not busted out, but the other guy beat him. So you can pay 40 bucks and go again. So here's where the camera's at. And I can actually turn this thing on when I'm standing over there watching. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty wicked. Smells like burned rubber and race gas in here. I love it. All right, we're gonna go again here pretty soon. Once again, somebody's oiled down the track or done something out there. So here we sit. It's been all day. Well, I believe that's it. Don, I think he red lit on that one. He went 569 on a 567 dial, but anyway, yeah, he bought back in, which means you give him 40 bucks, you get to race again. I'm going home regardless. Got to go find him and get my GoPro shut off. It's in his car right now, still running. So yeah, it was a good day. It was a great day. Yeah, about 70 degrees out. Cooler now. Okay.
Unless they brought the car on there. I doubt it.
That's the Trax truck. That's why nothing's going on right there.
Yeah, there's a, like I said, there's
Somebody's oiling the track. Chevys. Battery's dead for the winch. Gonna give it a minute. Might want to come back to the right a little. She's in.
Send me that stuff when you get time.
What do you need? What do you need?
Well, the video.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'll get you the video.
Yoo-hoo! I'll make you famous.
Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. So, yeah, Don is a machinist. Been doing engines for years. Mopar Guy. He's got a 70 yellow Duster, 344 speed car. He's got the original motor still, except it's been O-ringed. I mean, he's been playing with stuff for a long time. So that car, yeah, clearly it's I guess it's a pro mod. That's what I would call it. So it's got a world block, 588 cubic inch, made about 830 horse. Like I said before, it's a 4.5-ish bore, 456 or something, and a 4.5-inch stroke, twin dominator carbs, which he said he'd make more horsepower with a single 4-barrel probably, but twin dominators is cooler. Agreed. So yeah, that was a pro no electronics class. Of course, clearly has plenty of electronics. I guess a delay timer, delay box, where it'll launch for you after when you set it. But he's got plenty of other electronics in there, which makes it a lot easier and safer and more consistent to drive that car. What else? So what did it run? 529 he had dialed, and 529-ish at 127. He figured what'd he tell me, 890s at 150 thinks it'd do in the quarter. I guess he hasn't run in the quarter, I don't know. So anyway, yeah, that's that. That was cool. I'm glad I got to hang out for the day and check everything out. So as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.